our entire school community, teachers, students, staff, and parents also. Our journey to
SMS Datta Memorial Nowsgate Public School, Uttarakhand.
Call her daughter. Yeah, daughter, come.
Okay, thank you very much. So, and we have different, we have rainwater harvesting. Recently, we have taken up something like we have handicrafts towns in Telangana. Like there is a Cherial. So this is how experiential learning is taken into consideration, as well as coming to the sustainable development goals, what we are talking about. So we have the students, different projects are given to them. We make use of the robotics as well as the coding which is used for reaching these sustainable development goals. We have an Atal Tinkering Lab. Our government has taken up a project of Atal Tinkering Lab, which is an excellent, they have selected few schools wherein we given different equipment is given to the students, wherein they experiment on these and then they make out their own products to reach these sustainable development goals. So, and also we have the Ministry of Education from India also takes up innovation drives like hackathons, and wherein these the goal is to bring out some solution for the sustainable development goals. So wherein they have these hackathons are conducted for the students, wherein they come out with an idea and they bring out different solution for the product, for the existing problems around. So these are the different things which we are following in the school, as well as first of all we have something like in the pre-primary stage we have slates which are specially designed for the students, which are made out of a material wherein it reduces the use of paper. So many trees are felled down for making paper. So for that these Aksharabhya slates what we have, which are used for the continuous practice of alphabet on these slates for generations it can be used. So this is how we are working towards the sustainable development goals. Thank you for listening.